Hey everyone, Ryan here from Next Level Property Investing. Hope you're well. If you're a property entrepreneur like me and you're wanting to get ahead of the game, then this video is just for you. Just before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button somewhere down here, and make sure you get access to all my videos. And if you'd like some free training, I've got 5 days free over in my academy area. There's over 80 hours of training content in there. Just head over to nextlevelpropertyinvesting.com/free-training and you'll get inside access. So let's get going. 80% of people are slaves to the UK government. Is that a true fact, or is that just something I've made up? Now, 80% of people work 9 to 5 jobs, so that's kind of where the 80% come from. Now, not all jobs are bad, don't get me wrong, and a lot of people earn a lot of money from jobs. But there's a lot of people who don't earn a lot of money from jobs. They live paycheck to paycheck, they've got no pensions, and they really haven't got much hope for the next 40, 50 years until they hit the 70, 65, 70 mark, and then they retire on very little income and see their days out. Now, for me, I certainly don't want that lifestyle for me. I don't want that lifestyle for my children or their children, you know. So I work hard now to make sure that I can break the mold and, you know, get out that cycle of working the 9 to 5 grind all your life, putting money in a pension, paying down your mortgage, and really having no additional cash flow. You know, that's what the government teach us to do, and for me, it's all wrong. Property is the easiest way to break this code in my eyes. 90% of the world's wealth is held in property, so it tells you something about property as a stock, you know, and ultimately that's all it is. It is a stock just like a share. You know, property is no different, apart from I think it's a hell of a lot less riskier than investing in stocks and shares, and over the long term it can create a much better return. So there's various ways to do it, and my training that I give you the link for before, nextlevelpropertyinvesting.com/free-training. Don't have to go over there yet. It's in the description as well. That is going to teach you all about the various strategies that you can use to get into the property game. You know, you don't need massive amounts of money. In fact, you don't need any money for some of these strategies. You can get straight in. You know, controlling strategies have blown my portfolio up. The minute I decided to go all in with controlling strategies, it not only helped me add more assets into my life, it created more cash flow for the business, and, you know, it's just made the portfolio bigger and bigger and bigger, which has allowed me to employ more people. It's allowed me to take care of more of my family members, you know, and it's just opened up so many more doors for me. It can do exactly the same for you. I didn't know what these were, you know, just like you might not know now, or I didn't know how to effectively execute these strategies. You know, what you don't know, but when you do know it and you realize it's a game changer, then you go all in, and all of a sudden things can turn like that. You know, quite quickly your game could change. Your lifestyle right now could be 10 times different in 12 months from now. All you got to do is double down on yourself. You've got to understand what you need to be doing. There's no point focusing on the wrong things. You know, if you listen to my 10x video that I was talking about, where I discovered the 10x rule, I realized I thought I was doing enough. I thought I was focusing in the right areas, but I wasn't. I was focusing in the wrong areas, and I was getting up, I was doing the activity, but I wasn't getting anywhere, you know, and that's probably more frustrating than doing nothing. You know, so make sure you're focused in the right areas. To do that, you need to understand what you're doing. Now, you can get out there, you can waste a lot of time searching for content, you can, you know, go on a lot of courses, you can travel, you can do this, or you can get some focused activity. My training course, which I've put together for you, is the focused activity. All you got to do is go over to the link, which is in the description, create your free account, and start watching the videos. You know, and then let's communicate. Let's get things going. You know, let's drop in the. Let's communicate, let's get things going. Drop in the comments here what you think, what you want your questions answering, where you're stuck, how I can help you. You know, I've done it. I continue to learn. I continue to educate myself. There's always more that I can learn. There's always more that you can learn. If you ever stop learning, I think you're going to go back over, because there's always people that are going to be pushing forward, and therefore you're going to go backwards. You can never stand still. You know, there's either people going forwards or there's people going backwards, and you've got to always make sure you're on that going forwards train. So hope it helps. Get over to the free training. It's, you know, even if you're experienced in property, there's definitely a golden nugget in there, I guarantee it. And I hope you have an awesome day. Take care.